This is a suburb of Manbij in northern Syria. Because of 14 years of war, the local school was closed, and most children, both from displaced families and the host community, were left without education. Almost a year ago, with funding from the European Union, we established a temporary learning centre in the area. The building was reconstructed and equipped, and 565 children were initially registered. Since then, the local school has reopened with 4 classes. Today, 418 children, most of them girls, actively attend the centre. Many of the remaining 147 children have transitioned to reopened public school, while only a small number have dropped out. The temporary learning centre now runs 6 classes in the morning and 6 in the afternoon, providing informal education. It offers basic literacy and numeracy classes, an accelerated learning programme, and remedial classes. Children receive instruction in reading, mathematics, science, and English. They also participate in psychosocial and social-emotional sessions and are provided with stationery and learning materials. The centre organises monthly parenting skills sessions for caregivers. Children with disabilities are referred to protection teams for additional support, including wheelchairs, glasses, and hearing aids. The centre has received very positive feedback from the community and has strengthened interaction among local residents. With support from the European Union, we have established dozens of centres like this across northern Syria.